This morning, we've pretty much got the nicest place in the country as far as temperatures go, 72 degrees. It's cool everywhere else, but actually for this time of year, this could be considered mild weather. However, if you do have any travel plans, there are a few trouble spots if you're trying to get back home or if you have family that's trying to get back home today. Rain is expected through the middle part of the country, even stretching up through the Great Lakes region. Stormy conditions expected through the Texas area, stretching back into New Mexico, and snow expected for the northwestern portion of the U.S. So keep that in mind. Check with your carriers for any of your travel worry spots for today. If you are planning on doing any boating, do use some caution. A small craft advisory is in place. We've got seas that have grown to about 6 to 8 feet. So inland water is going to be choppy as well for you today. We have these strong northeasterly winds that are gusting up to about 20 knots out on area waters. And today we could see those gusts on land over 20 miles an hour. So breezy once again for your Friday, but otherwise sunny skies, an isolated little sprinkle, really just looking very nice all the way through this weekend. Now, towards the start of this work week, we do have a cold front that's expected to move through, but just how strong it will be is up for debate. We have two different models that are disagreeing on that right now, so expect a cool down. We could drop these temperatures a couple degrees, or we could kick them up a couple degrees, depending on just how much oomph this front has. All right, that's a check of your forecast, and now for a look at Sky 5 team traffic, here's Keely Fulton.